Hey, how's it going? And today this is just a little public service tutorial on this make your own in-game leaderboard in Verse. I want to first say that this is an absolutely fantastic tutorial. It's very in-depth, it's very thorough, and it's awesome for Epic Games to provide this level of documentation. It's absolutely incredible. But I did want to point out one little thing that I noticed was an issue. So when I followed along with this tutorial, essentially what I did is I copied all the code, because they give you all the code at the very end of this thing, and it's fantastic. It's fantastic that they do that. The whole thing's fantastic, really. So they have this at the bottom, linking it all together, and the complete code. I want to show you something that's going to be a problem, though. And if we're coming down here, and it has to do when we go to sort the algorithm, and it's right here in this section right here. So you see there's this one called Update Stats Billboard, and there's this one Update Player References, and then it has where we make a call to the merge sort. These are reversed, so you're going to get an error if you leave it like this. So the merge sort is expecting first an array and then a comparison function, and in this example of code that they have that reversed. So the array needs to be sent in first and then the compare function. And so if you do that, let me pop over here, go into so here you can see where I have put everything in. See where it's a merge sort, and we call the merge sort, and it's the more points comparison. Because if we go down to the merge sort here, you'll see it wants an array first and then the comparison function. But if you just copy that code the way that it's set up, you'll get an error. It's reversed. So all you have to do is flip those around. Send in the array first and then the more points. And that's what I did. So if you flip those around for these two, update player references and update stats, then you shouldn't get any errors. So that was just something I wanted to make people aware of, because it's a great tutorial. I'm going to build it and see if I get any errors, and I don't. So I just wanted to let you know about that. Obviously, somehow those got turned around somewhere. So anyway, that's all I had for today. Take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.